In recent decades, the list of endangered species has increased at a terrifying rate. The main reasons for it are such global issues as climate change, air, water, and noise pollution. People have affected this process of animal extinction immensely and are continuing to cause harm to wildlife by overhunting, overfishing, and abusing natural environments for their purposes. All this results in animals losing their natural habitat and genetic variation. Scientists and concerned people all around the world are trying to address the issue and take steps to eliminate the main threats to endangered species. However, despite the efforts made, the problem remains persistent, and much more needs to be done to preserve at least half of the species currently inhabiting the Earth. Loss of habitat and genetic variation can both happen naturally and be caused by human interference. For example, dinosaurs became extinct because they lost their habitat due to the change in climate that happened naturally after an asteroid struck the Earth. However, human activity is currently the main reason why more and more animals lose their habitats. Industrial and agricultural development helps people improve their life conditions, but its outcomes, such as pollution or deforestation, threaten the habitats and lives of many species. In turn, genetic variation is closely connected to how great the certain species population is. Lack of genetic variation can also be caused naturally. For example, some species had to go through long periods of inbreeding due to extremely adverse environmental conditions, such as the Ice Age. Such human activities as hunting and fishing have also led to less genetic variation, causing animals to inbreed. Therefore, climate change, pollution, deforestation, overhunting, and overfishing are among the main factors that contribute to animal extinction. Many scientists and concerned people understand the scale of the problem and try to take action to improve the situation, as well as raise awareness about it. New technologies, such as biobanking and genomics, are introduced and developed to save endangered species. Used as a backup resource, biobanks store samples that provide genetic information for scientists to work on preserving biodiversity. Whole genome sequencing allows them to monitor and manage endangered animals, birds, and plants. Reproductive technologies, such as genome editing, are used to create new generations of endangered species as well. Numerous volunteering programs aim at helping endangered species. People work at animal rescue centers, sanctuaries, and rehabilitation facilities for injured animals. Many volunteers also help by educating tourists and residents on the importance of preserving wildlife. Despite all the efforts made by scientists, volunteers, and other concerned people, the problem remains relevant, with more species of animals becoming critically endangered, or vulnerable every day. Because the problem is caused by so many other issues, such as climate change and pollution, people are far from ensuring safe habitats for all, or at least the majority, of endangered species. A whole range of other problems needs to be addressed, together with the measures that are already being taken. To conclude, it has to be stated that people are responsible for saving as many species as they can, since people are the ones who caused many of them to go extinct. Problems that cause those species to disappear include all types of pollution, climate change, loss of habitat, and loss of genetic diversity, and scientists are working on finding solutions to all of these issues. Unfortunately, the list of endangered animals is expected to increase, but extinction of those species is not inevitable, and awareness should be raised to involve more people to help preserve endangered wildlife. This and many other essays are available at studycorgi.com.